Luke Konjorski here with yet another Luke's Tuesday tip. Now today we're going to talk to you about declogging your drains, right? Now there's three people who can declog, right? Your plumber can, you can call him. I'm going to show you how to do it, you as a homeowner, to do it yourself. And then the Dutch always declog every time they go into somebody's house. Now getting right to it, we're here in the bathroom drain. And it's running a little slow. But again, that's not the only thing in my house that's a little slow. All right, let's get down to it. This is a very common and popular now push pop drain. Just like that, right? That's how you close it. Well, how to take this thing out is you go ahead and spin it. There we go, and that pops out. You look, there's this little trap that's in here. As you can see, there's some paper in there, there's some hair in there. So what you want to do is clean that out, give it a little tapsy tap. Maybe run some water underneath it the opposite way. Get all that hair, get all of that junk out of there, and then it'll clean up real nice. You screw it back on all the way, and you should be good to go. Now the second type of drain clog is going to be in your kitchen sink. Now this happens quite often when you're throwing food down there and your disposal and all that good stuff. Now what I've done is put a paper towel in here to simulate a drain clog in your kitchen sink. Now what you can do is use this guy. This is a plunger. What you'll do is you'll fill up your sink with some water to get that nice seal in there. You'll put your plunger over the drain and start plunging it. What that'll do is that'll push any junk that is in your drain down and through to the bigger parts of your drain, and then you'll have clean flow. Now the third way to clean out your drain is to go here to the trap. This is called a trap, right? And well, what it does is just trap junk half the time. But you've got these little plastic wing nuts here that you can unscrew here and here and take this trap off and clean it out. Now be careful, when you do that, you might get a little bit of water down here, so just prepare for that. But you can easily unscrew this with just your hand, no tools, and unclog your drain. Luke's Tuesday tip of the week about unclogging your drains. Now hopefully after you watch that video I didn't drain too much time. I'm Luke Konjorski. See you next week.